Hey everybody, Professor Betalou here with just a little motivational video to get you psyched up for Unit 3 and let you know what's going to go on in Unit 3. First of all, my office hour chat schedule for next week is as follows. Monday, which will be April 20th, my office hours will be held as usual from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Tuesday, April 21st, chat number 3 is going to be held at our class's regularly scheduled time. Okie dokie, so Unit 2, very big deal, the remaining Unit 2 due dates because of the Unit 2 discussion board. Tuesday, April 21st, you're going to have two things due. Firstly, your Unit 2 in Telepath is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then your Unit 2 discussion board responses are going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is where you obviously are responding to two of your classmates. Very important. And very important to note that after April 21st, your responses will no longer be accepted, so get those in. Okay, your Unit 3 due dates are as follows. Friday, which will be April 24th, you will have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, it's so important to get your determined knowledge in by the Friday deadline because completing the determined knowledge will allow the system to create the learning path or nodes that you need to complete for the Tuesday deadline. And then Tuesday, April 28th, your Unit 3 in Telepath will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, everybody, so that is what's going on in Unit 3. The remainder of your Unit 2 due dates and your Unit 3 due dates, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have absolutely any questions. I am available through email or through the CTU Messenger. Also, my office hours on Monday, come on by. I will be there and available. So just let me know. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question. The only silly question is when you do not ask. So I'm here for you. Let me know if you need anything. Have a good week, everybody.